Hi there, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how to use mask in Affinity for non-destructive edits so you can hide or reveal parts of layers easily. So first, you must go to your Affinity, whether you're using your mobile phone or your laptop or whatever device that you may be using. So yeah, first select the target layer in the layers panel, and once you're there, you will have to add a mask by clicking the mask layer icon at the bottom of layers panel or layer, then click new mask layer. And after that, you will just have to click the mask thumbnail next to the layer thumbnail and paint with a black to hide or white to reveal. Use gray for partial transparency. Then, refine with Gaussian blur on the mask for softer edges, and then go to the filters and click blur, and then Gaussian blur applied to mask. And finally, unlink the mask from the layer, which is a chain icon, to move them independently if needed. And that's basically it. And by the way, quick tip: use mask instead of erasing to keep edits reversible. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.